Our basic web development tutorial for beginners. Today we will be looking at the basic HTML structure which forms the foundation of every website today. We will be looking at how we can structure our HTML to display a simple text with minimal styles. Okay, in that case, we are going to start by creating a project directory called my project. We simply go to our computer desktop and create a new file, a new folder called My Project. After creating the folder, right click on the created folder and select Open with VS Code. This will automatically load the Visual Studio Code and the created directory. Okay, inside the project directory that we have created and loaded using VS Code, we will create another directory called assets. Assets is going to hold all our external files like CSS, JS, and images with so many others that you can think of. All right, on that case, as you can see on my screen, I already have the structure of HTML with some content inside the body tag. Alright, I'm going to clear the screen like this. I'm going to delete this file so we can start afresh, and I'm going to delete this folder. Okay, alright. This is my project directory that I have created and opened using VS Code from my desktop. It is called my project. Like I said earlier, we're going to add another directory inside this called asset. Move your mouse to this, which will give you a hint title called the new folder. Click on it. It will open an input field for you to name your folder. We are going to name it assets. Assets. Click on enter. The directory is created. Alright. Click anywhere outside the asset, okay, to create a file inside there, my project. So I click on this, move my mouse to a file that says, to this icon that says new file. I'll click on it. It opens an input field for me to name my file. We are going to name the file index with extension name .html. The extension name defines the type of file we are creating. Okay, I click on enter key. The file is automatically created index.html inside our project directory, our main project directory called my project. Okay, inside this file, as you can see, it is still empty. We are going to write some HTML tags to structure the HTML. We are simply, to generate that, we'll hold the shift key on our keyboard and click on exclamation mark once and click enter key. The structure of HTML will be automatically generated, as you can see. Just hold the shift tag exclamation mark once and click on enter key. It will generate what you're seeing on the screen. Alright, having done that, let me simply explain this, what you're seeing on the screen in a simple terms. Alright, this you're seeing on line 1 of our code said doc type HTML, which tells the browser the type of document that it is about to load. Okay, it tells the browser that this is a HTML document. Okay, the line 2 text said HTML lang equals en. It defines the type of language. It defines the document language. Okay, the line 3 says head. This is a head tag. Okay, this head tag holds all the metadata tag that will be inside, that will make up our website. Metadata like character sets tag, viewpoint tag, title tag, and the style tag. Okay, there are many other tags that can be inside the head tag, but these are the basic. All right, inside the title, there is a text inside the title tag. This text you're seeing here will display the uh, tab bar defining the file name, file title. We are going to title it my project, my project, so that when we load the web page, the browser will just write this name on the tab as my project. All right, the next tag on our structure, HTML structure, is a body tag. Body tag. Body tag holds all the displayable content of a web page on the browser. All the thing that will be displayed on the browser that the user will see is being held inside the body tag. Okay, so there are many other tags that goes inside the body tag. There are many other tags that goes inside the body tag for it to work, and some of those tags include a head tag, a header tag written like this, H1. Okay, this head tag ranges from H1 to H6. Okay, the next tag that goes inside the browser, inside the body tag, is a paragraph tag written like this, P. Okay, whatever that is entered in between this paragraph tag, the opening and closing paragraph tag, is what the browser displays, okay, as a paragraph. The next one that goes inside here is anchor tag, okay. It is written like this. It is used to navigate from one page to the other, okay. Whatever goes inside here is a link, okay. All right, write it like this. Okay, so for instance, you have two pages on your project. You put the name of the second page here. Maybe you say my name dot html. When you click on this link, it will open it will load this page called my name dot html. All right, the next tag that goes inside here is what we call the form. Okay, another tag that can go inside there is button. Okay, another tag that can go inside there is table. Another tag that can go inside there is what we call div. Another one section. Another one article. Okay, and there are so many others tag that must be inside the body tag when trying to use them. All right, so in all of these tags that you can see here, I'm going to delete them, and I will leave only two. Okay, I'll leave header one tag and the paragraph tag, because that is what we are going to use in our project today. All right, we are going to title our paragraph using the header one tag, and what we are going to say in the header one tag is my project. My project. Okay, let's say this is a header test. Okay, all right, we'll give it this. This is a header test. Then in the paragraph, we are going to write anything. Okay, we'll write this. Okay, it's automatically generated Latin words. All right, using lorem. All right, so this is it. Whatever that is in between the opening and the closing tag is what the browser displays when executed. Okay, so if you do this and run this code, it will display for you. This is a header test, and it will come to another line and display this very word. All right, so Haven't seen this? Do this, copy it and execute it in your browser. You will see exactly what it will give you. And to run this on your browser, move your mouse to the name of the file called index.html. Right click on it, scroll down to copy path and click on it. When you copy, go to your browser, paste it at the URL column and click enter key. It will automatically display this text and this text. So that is it, guys. Having seen the basic structure of HTML and see how it displays text on our browser, we are going to end this class here today. In our next lesson, we are going to look at how to apply style to our HTML text using the inline styling, external style, and the other type of style. All right, so that is it. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. See you in the next class. Thank you once more.